Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a cherry blossom flowery look. I think we all knew this was coming. Sorry to be so predictable, but who doesn't love a good cherry blossom? Starting with my favorite part of my makeup routine, the Unique Touch Spray Foundation.
So for my girls, I know we all have that time of the month where we might need our concealer just a little bit more than usual. That time has come for me, and here we go. My Savior Mineral Touch Skin Perfecting Concealer to save me.
Now you can cover your face.
Next up, going in with Mineral Touch Pressed Powder. You can actually use this stuff without liquid and it still has great coverage. I do it all the time, especially if I'm in a rush.
Time to get your contour on.
Since we're doing a cherry blossom look, I thought it would be appropriate to go with a cherry blossom colored blush and highlighter.
Well, I think it's about time that we put some brows on.
If you don't have this palette, I highly recommend ordering it. It is awesome!
Our angled brush, gel, grab some powder, and we're on our way. Here we are again using my favorite concealer. For all of my concealer uses in this video, I will be using the Unique Mineral Touch Concealer. Don't forget, you can order any of these amazing unique products from my website, link in description.
Okay, for today's pack, we're going to create a nice deep
Magenta Mystic Sparks. Now I'm going to use the Moonstruck 5 Addiction Shadow Palette. And I'm going to use a mixture of this pink and this purple to blend out that. Okay, next up, just because I want it to dry, I'm going to go on with the nice neutral splash lipstick from Unique. It's time to
Cut that crease.
You'll never feel more like a clown until you just finish a cut crease. Using a mixture of these two, I'm gonna fill the crease. Going in with some liquid brown eyeliner. Okay, it's time to show off your artistic side. Here I'm going in and drawing in tree branches. Honestly, yes it would.
Okay, I'm using the end of the brush so I can get a nice perfect circle.
Combining 4 small circles creates the perfect little flower shape for our cherry blossom design.
Cherry blossoms typically are pink, and so I'm going to use that. Okay, and just a few last minute steps and then we're all set. And I'm going to use the same brown as before and add an inside to each of these flowers along with a little freckle, and add an inside to some of these as well. Okay, last part of the design phase is just going in with some white eyeliner. Brett has no idea what he is about to come home to. I'm just gonna add a very light brown shadow around some of these flowers to produce some sort of shadow.
Once you add your lash, if you could just come over to my house and teach me how to put on lashes, that would be great, and we'll be all set. Thanks for tuning in today. If you liked any of these products, don't forget to check out my website at www.uniqueproducts.com/TessaCWeber. Thanks again. Bye.